Adapting to life with a stoma takes time, and for many, the process is made more difficult because of leakage. We believe that the most effective way to reduce the burden of leakage is to improve the way ostomy appliances fit to the body. And the key to achieving this is to recognize that individual shapes vary greatly. A stoma can be on an outward bulge or hernia, level with the abdomen, or on an inward curve. The skin around the stoma may have dips, creases, or folds. Body shapes also change during the course of the day, during movement, and with age. That is why we developed an innovation platform that takes individual differences into account. It's called BodyFit technology, and it's unique to the SenSura Mio range of appliances. BodyFit technology helps to reduce leakage by ensuring the appliance stays securely in place. A prime example is the elastic adhesive used in every SenSura Mio. It's made from a special polymer blend that makes it twice as stretchable as a conventional appliance. So it fits snugly over skin and bends and stretches with the body. Another example is the integrated flex lines in the SenSura Mio convex shell. These provide flexibility without any compromise on stability, so people can bend in comfort and with confidence. Even the deep convex is twice as flexible as a traditional convex. BodyFit technology ensures people can get the appliance that fits to their individual body shape. It will continue to evolve and make an even better fit possible. Who knows what shape it will take next?